Welcome to Osprey Online, Sandvik Additive Manufacturing's brand new webshop, offering premium metal powders tailored for additive manufacturing, from stock directly from the source, available 24/7. This is what you'll see when you visit metalpowder.sandvik/webshop to purchase metal powders from a selection of our most popular standardized alloys online. Step 1 is to create your account. Just click the top navigation to be presented with this view. Fill in your personal information and select a password before continuing to set your company profile. If you are the first person to register an account at Osprey Online within your company, then please fill out all of the fields, including company information, address, and details. Note that some of the fields are required and must be filled out in order to proceed. Once your account is ready to go, you'll be able to add more users to the same company, but more on that in just a minute. The country you select will determine the currency shown across the webshop. Also, don't miss out on the information symbol. Wherever this is visible, just hover over it to access additional information. In the next step, it's time to select your invoice address. If this is the same as the address stated in your company profile, just click Copy from Company Address, and the information will appear. Please note that this does not apply to the email address. This has to be submitted again to ensure we send your invoice to the right place. Now, click Continue and proceed to select your shipping address. Here, you also have the option of copying your information from the submitted company address. Do make sure your email address is correct, as this is copied from your invoicing address. You'll also need to submit the VAT number again. The last and final step in the registration process is the confirmation. Make sure all of your information is correct and click the pen icon to make any changes. Once you're happy with the information, scroll down and hit Complete Registration. When you register a company for the first time, we perform a screening in line with the Sandvik Group compliance directives. When this is completed, you'll receive a confirmation email announcing that your account is ready for use. Now, let's have a look at how to order metal powders from Osprey Online. First, visit metalpowder.sandvik/webshop and sign in by clicking this symbol in the top navigation and enter your credentials. Under Your Account, you can update your personal profile and change your password. However, you can't change your email address. If you need to do this, please reach out to us and we'll be happy to assist. By clicking Company Account, you can update your company information and add alternate shipping and invoicing addresses or set your default choice. Under Manage Users, you can delete or add more users to your existing company account. Any added user will then receive an email with an invitation to register at Osprey Online. By clicking Orders, you can see your previous orders from Osprey Online and create repeat orders. To do this, click Show More to review your order details. Then proceed to clicking Repeat Purchase, either on a specific product or Repeat Order at the bottom of the page to repeat the order in full. By doing this, the order will be transferred to your shopping cart, which you can click to proceed to checkout. Below Order Documents, you can see how you paid for your previous order, as well as a certificate of analysis displaying batch information such as physical test data, chemical analysis, and particle size data. When visiting the Start page as a logged-in user, you can see your previous orders, view all products, search for specific alloys, and see our material types. In the search bar, you can submit specific alloy types, product names, and standards. On the bottom of the page, you can see all material types offered online. By clicking All Products, you'll be presented with all materials offered from stock. In this view, you're able to see the alloy type, the product name, and applicable standards for each product. If you can't find what you're looking for, this button at the bottom of the page will take you to our full range of metal powders, even the ones not currently offered from stock. To filter your view, select your type of alloy and, if you want, the process in question. You can also submit keywords such as standards and product names. Select a product to visit the product page. On it, you can access all of the related information, such as product description and price information, as well as chemical composition and physical properties. You can also choose your desired particle size distribution and pack size. Select particle size distribution and quantity to view the current stock and estimated delivery time. Then just add to cart. At the bottom of the page, you can find related grades. And for your information, all prices include alloy surcharge. If you want to view the products in your shopping cart, click the symbol in the top navigation bar to see a summary. When proceeding to checkout, you'll be asked to choose your shipping address based on the information set in your account. Then, you'll see your estimated shipping date before proceeding to payment. You can also submit any marking of goods that might be required by your organization. Now, select your preferred method of payment: prepaid invoice, or credit card. These options may differ depending on whether you're a new customer or not. If you have a purchasing order number, please submit this here. Then go ahead and review your order. Here's the final summary and preview of your order with Osprey Online. You can edit the fields as needed directly from this view, but if everything looks fine, click to agree to the Incoterms and general terms and conditions before placing your order. An order confirmation will be sent to the email address submitted in your company profile. The invoice will be sent separately to your selected email address. Now you're all set. We'll ship your order from our warehouse within short, and all you have to do is sit back and wait.